If you're not the canopy, if you're under the canopy, you're not here. Everybody under the canopy. If you're under the canopy, please come out here. If you are under...
Don't know another party in uhunmwonde. Uhunmwonde is ready to deliver Asue Ighodalo and Saudi for September 21st. You can see today, uhunmwonde, they have pulled out from Ward 1 to Ward 10. We are all ready. We don't fear APC. We don't know whether APC is still in this Asue Ighodalo and Ogi. Clap your hand for that because we are ready. They cannot today. Today is a carnival we have in uhunmwonde. We will let them know, yes, uhunmwonde, we don't have any shaking. I said it before, uhunmwonde, the unit we have, the only leader we have, they are all ready for the battle. The battle we have is to conquer APC. We don't need any hunger in this land again. Una need hunger. Una need hunger.
You can't get directly in Sabinus. Because when you do Sabi, you can become a Sabinus. So let me ask the national youth leader.
Which party did this land? September 21, who we go vote for? Some Baba vow from this land, we come from this local government. They say our Baba, Governor Baseki, not go get successor. That one are true? No. One dollar follow a talker? No. We go get successor, Abi? Yeah. Una know his name? What's in the column? I know his deputy name. Una know him. The man we get capacity, una know him. What's his name? So that our Baba and the friends, not be like the talk. Uhunmwonde people, not be like that Baba and the friends talk. Who we go vote for? Ward 1, who we go vote for? Ward 2, who we go vote for? Ward 3, who we go vote for? Ward 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, who we go vote for? We still need campaign for this local government. Our votes now are to thank Governor Baseki for all he don't do. Have you not been so? Our votes now are to tell the next governor, Asue Ighodalo, say, he not going to forget, say, Governor Baseki people, make sure, say, he win from uhunmwonde. Have you not been so? Not be so we agree. How many people we go vote for? Who do small and they do big? Not because they get capacity. We go do our own, and our own go make the difference for this state come September 21. Una, thank you.
EDLP. Asue for governor. I greet everybody for uhunmwonde. You know, that's a small thing. The suffering way did this country today too much. Have you not reached that place? You don't know how much the bag of Gary now? Somebody salary don't buy a bag of Gary. Now that can't come and now we want. We want more suffering. Anybody will vote for the other parties. Whether they give you money, maybe they vote for them. As you give them that vote, that person will do it. The person they invite more suffering to himself and his family. But for those of you that you come out here today, you know, don't make up your mind. Now don't make up in your mind, say, Edo must prosper. Now don't make up in your mind, say, whether the whole Nigeria has spoiled, Edo go good. If you not see them, they don't get anything to tell anybody. Only yesterday, your president asked me, say, they say, Akpa Komisa, now he be the governorship candidate for APC. Now I say, yes. They say na lie. They say na Oshomole. I say I tell you Oshomole. They say na only Oshomole they talk. They say Oshomole they find tall term. Now I tell they say okay, we be like say na true. All those people Oshomole do governor for here for 8 years. Not be me sing am. Now Professor Ionvere, now he sing one time all of us the campaign. Now go they call and say Oshomole, Osho mole, ole. Because of that Oshi Omo Ole. He said Oshi Omo Ole. Not me talking, I'm president. Whoever the first talker. I only talk with they talk before. There not be see singer say Osho yellow papa, Osho yellow papa, Osho carry our money maro Oibo run away, Osho dey cry. Not be missing am o. I want to repeat what people don't first sing. What I want make we know be say those people they not get level. The other day for Obiaja, as me be so, as I come here so, I don't get wife for house. Now not go ask me make I go marry. If I say I get wife, what I go do? I go bring my wife come out. We only tell they say we don't they see you now wives. We they see Governor Basiki wife. We they see our incoming governor wife. Where they are wife. That man walk on they talk. Bini say our normal like before. Oh, Garwao. Oh, Garwao, Garwao. I'm not here now. What about time? I will young monkey over the door. Why I will for the benefit of those of them who don't understand, Bini. If you see all of them when they did there, so they don't like each other. They don't like each other, all of them when you see there, so. Those of them when they plan as they take Bon College of Education because of certificate, all of them get together there. One time now they're mad they take talker and not there, but the talker are here. Now there's some people poor see for people, but now that's the place all of them there. When you can see all those kind of people, they can't gang up. You don't say that gang of criminals and thieves with that. We want men they can't thief our state. Make you ask and say when there's which factory, which farm, what any of them do for this state? Nothing. Now only PDP government and they bring progress come this state. And now PDP government now go better Edo people. Now PDP government now go give money back to farmers. Now PDP government now go give land back to farmers. Now PDP government now go chase kidnappers come for our bush. So that we go fit go farm, then we go fit buy food again. Therefore, everybody from war there, they tell Baba just say 75% vote. We don't want 75% vote. We want 90%. 90 what in? Now we want them to give us a vote there. Because the work where Basaki don't start for this local government, we don't want person who go come here, come stop her. Edo must move forward. And as they move forward, one of them must move forward with Edo State. And I know say like I talked before, my house now 75% won the local government. My mama come from here. My wife come from here for here. So now only one, if you can't divide us, can't add us, now they plenty pass. So because of that one to show say you now happy say now me be director general. I want to join and say now 90% now we want get for this local government. And when I also not be governor, that's why I go to meet and say my mama people, my wife people, they worry also. That's why they listen to all of us. You now hear me so? So on the 21st, who would they vote for? On the 21st, who would they vote for? Asue not there anywhere. Asue na umbrella a day. Now that umbrella, now we go vote for on that day. Our papa, the enoge of a home, make una tell her, we go come back here, come do thank you visit to a palace. We go come back here, come do thank you visit to a palace because that family now give me wife. So we appreciate her well. Make una help us greet her. Obaseki greet am, Asue greet am, Oge greet am, all the PDP go greet am well well. PDP!
Let me see your hands in the air.
Asue Ighodalo, man wey sabi o. You got better of them all. Now him go lead us to the promised land. Asue Ighodalo for governor. Okay, na correct man wey sabi o. Deputy material 1 million yards. He go follow lead us to the promised land. Asue Ighodalo, show you best. Forward ever. If I swear they will go prosper. And I go down, we know they go back. Asue Ighodalo for governor. Forward ever. Mama, if I swear they will go prosper. And I go down, we know they go back. Asue Ighodalo for governor. Say we go vote for PDP. Oh yes. PDP. Oh yes. Vote Ighodalo. Oh yes. For integrity. Oh yes. Business go better. Oh yes. Good food on table. Oh yes. We go better mama. Oh yes. We go better papa. Oh yes. We go better cooking. Oh yes. For better road. Oh yes. If I swear they will prosper. And I go down, we know they go back. Asue Ighodalo for governor. Forward ever. If I swear they will prosper. And I go down, we know they go back. Asue Ighodalo for governor.
PDP! I'm not here now. PDP! I swear for governor! But I don't want to finish now. Who there? Who there? Who there? Where there? Hey, una remember, many years ago, una dey sleep for who there? Not be so kidnapping they did this road. The first responsibility of any government na security, safety of life and property. Since our government, PDP government, don't enter Edo State, everything when we're supposed to do to make sure say safety day, we don't do them. The situation so bad for this road that hey, I'm gonna hear what you talk. When I remember say the situation they bad 2-3 times a day, they must kidnap somebody for this road. When I forget, as soon as government we sleep. Today it still happen. Whenever I bring army base here, that's now waiting progressive government they do. With the security when we don't enjoy small. Nobody make all these Arawa people come in, they come and do business and farm for here. Arawa, yeah! So, we don't work for the last 8 years. We don't repair something. Even look this place. That's what it be before. The nurses say council they try. The small money when we get for a dough, we they use them to do all the things when they see. Security, education, Edo best people they here. Teacher that they here. Pikin they learn from school now. What we never do for now. Now plenty pass the one when we don't do. But we don't start. One government not finish everything. However, we must move forward. Because if we get one government, do better, it make progress. Another government come, they can't do anyhow. Chop the money, what will happen? We will go back. Now it make me say, after all the work when we don't do,
we not go back. For us not to go back, we need to find somebody. We need to find people when people when, because when they sabi, they go do. When they sabi, they go do it for us. That make me go look for Asue Ighodalo. This man, yes, so, yes, so, they say he resemble me. They say he be like me. They say he no book like me. No, he no book past me. Now make me go find a come to say, I beg, work day. I know say a big sacrifice for you. All these things when you don't achieve, be one of the best lawyers for Nigeria. You get money, you be chairman of many companies, banks, all. I say, but our people still they suffer. Help me, come continue the work when I start. Now you look up, you look down. You say, there's more to life than money. Make a good serve. So, oh there, make una help me thank him. And the world na go thank him, una know what to do. As if that not rich, we say, okay, this man, it does come. It come since 2008, he don't deal with me for economic team. He don't be chairman of our Laudaro. Now I say, you still need support. Because when I be governor, as I be governor now, that's why I get support. I get somebody when support me, like say in the work for himself. Who be that person? Who be that person? Now, our incoming deputy governor, Osarodioge Esquire. This man, they say I want to begin to. What did I be? What did I be? You see, this man, Osarodioge, he did there from the beginning. He stand gidigba. There is nothing in this government where you don't know. Okay, don't be commissioner for this state. Commissioner for work, so you know every corner for Edo. He don't be chief of staff. So you know how governor office they work. He don't be secretary to government. How about? Who get capacity passer? So, with a man like this, when you get capacity, when can they work with a man like this, when Sabi, what thing we go get? Prosperity. Prosperity, then we go get. Now, because of that, I come today to say, I present to you the people of uhunmwonde, the next governor of Edo State, by the grace of God and the votes from the people of uhunmwonde, Dr. Asue Ighodalo. Because me too, I don't become Pekin of uhunmwonde now. Because I hear my governor say be Pekin.
hear my deputy say be pikin. Which one be I come be?
You be from here.
I be here. You know the person wey born me? Na by Masoke born me. You know my by Masoke house, eh? We take number. So number 1 day up to number 25. So me I be number 4. I be number 4. So anytime when I see me, make I just call me number 4. I thank all of you now well. Oh. You know where we dey now for this Edo State? Obaseki don't walk, build foundation. Like say we want build 100-story house. You don't build and go down. You don't come up. We don't see. Say, make we just carry that 100-story. Don't put cement. Don't put block. Don't carry them up. Edo State don't reach where Edo State won't hammer. Where Edo State won't fly. You know, the thing where in government, Obaseki government don't do where we fit waka for road, no more kidnapping, no more waga, no more maga. You know what it go mean? It means say business go come. When business come, you know what that mean? It means say work. It means say work go. When work come, you know what that mean? Hey, my sister, you like money? Oh. It means say money go. When money come, what did that mean? Enjoyment and waiting, prosperity. So we thank our governor. The work where we go do now, not even plenty so much again. Because the hard work, they don't do them. I want to make sure, say, everything, just follow the same road. You know, say, when you get road, and you begin look left and right, and you go past corner, go enter bush, enter gutter. Everything spoil. Not be so? Your motor spoil, your body spoil. People there with you spoil. Now the thing wey no go happen be that. We go follow the road, make sure say we hammer. How many of you now come Benin for weekend and I see that Rema show? That boy now one of us. Now like this the day with one of us. I see some prospective Remas where governor they talk to them just now. I take God begging now. The good hope, the good grace, the blessing where God don't give us, where He don't begin walk through Obaseki for us, make we not take our own hands spoil am. Yes, when God won't come down from heaven, use person to benefit you, He go point at the person. Then He go point at you, say this not the person. Then you fit wake up, say you don't want to go that place. Now your hand the deal. God don't bless us for Edo State. God don't give us this for Edo State where people will no get what people no get. He give us brain, He give us land, He give us agriculture, He give us mineral, He give us with a build port, He give us good things, He give us electricity. Then God come give us sense through our leader and through all of you now. And then we say we no want prosperity. Haba. Everywhere for this Edo State now, you go carry your phone now, internet. You fit talk to your brother where they Hawaii. And I know where Hawaii dey. Hawaii dey the back of the back. The other day, I dey look governor. I say, which kind of magic be this? One person say something they do am for waste. So governor with some doctors, then they there. Then they one village. Now they press button. Now our Nigerian doctor for Chicago, they talk to them. They say, okay, touch this place. Is it paining you? Yes. Touch this place. Is it paining you? The man say, okay. I diagnose. Okay, you have something. Now the governor say, okay, our doctor here, treat him. So Oyibo doctor, they talk to our patient. Our doctor treat him. Which time that one come to this country before? Don't be for Edo State. You know what did that mean? Before we fit do that thing, they don't lay over 3,000 kilometers of this way that they call fiber optic. So that we can talk to anybody, see anybody. So as they fit, you know, our Nigerians, when I go diaspora, they tell them, they say they go teach from their secondary school. They go teach from their university. No be prosperity be that. One thing we dey look for again, no be prosperity. So, make all of us take our tongue, count our teeth. You know the only one thing where I want to talk. Best thing where na abuse, they abuse. Where they not talk wetin they want do. where they no get plan, when they no go talk how they go bring light, how they go bring water, how they go do road, how they go bring school, how they go bring port, how they go do tourism, when they no go talk all those things, how our life go better, how the price of food go come down, how we go feed chop 3 times a day. Even person want chop 4 go chop 4. Men when they chop 3 meat before, we know they see meat again. How we go get meat back? Now they don't talk all those things. They don't talk how we go remove suffering. They think of themselves. They abuse other people and they think of themselves. How they go chop money, how they go share post, how they go chop our money, how they go take our money build house. Now in there they think. How we want those kind of people to come back here? How? When nobody say God don't mean well for us, God mean well for us. So all of you, I take God begging now. Our party chairman don't talk how we now go vote, how we go present. So I don't go repeat them. But make we serious. Make we love ourselves. Because we don't get leaders who love us. That's why we take the problem where we take. Because when I remember last year January, somebody just wake up one day saying he want change currency. He come out the money with their hand, he don't give us money back. Waiting then do so, they turn us all into poor person. If government love you, they go turn you to poor person. Till today, many of us still never recover from that poor person. So we don't want people who want to turn us into poor people. We go work hard, we go rich by ourselves. Make nobody turn back the hand of time. He don't do. He don't do. He don't do. So we thank all of you now. And we promise you now, myself and Osoro, we promise you now, say by the grace of God Almighty and by our support, as there are plenty here and we plenty outside, by our support, we go turn this Edo state into a first world Eldorado where everybody, no more suffering, no more pain, no more kidnapping, no more party. We promise you now, me and this my brother, we promise you now, making her hold us to our promise. Because 4 years go so rich quick. If we don't pass exam, if we come again, making us say fail, they go. Abi, 4 years no far, you know take. So by God's grace, we will come here. You know what I go talk? Carry go. So we thank you now. I want to make you thank Obaseki for us. So everybody throw your hat up, say Obaseki, we thank you. Obaseki, God bless you. And then all of you now here, we go support and vote for us. Make we carry them up. I thank all of you now. I thank all of you now. I thank our brothers. We come from Arewa, our brothers we come from Bedouin, our brothers we come from Igbo. All of us were one.
PDP! Asue for governor! Orhionmhon! Our papa and our mama will be here. We're gonna clap on ourselves, we're gonna try. Because we don't expect this kind of crowd, but we overdo them. All our leaders, we don't talk since. They don't talk the main thing. Now small, now I can't talk for inside. We now remember 2020 for talk about movement. Now all of you now wait there so now do them. I mean, this one will go so now talk about promise. Now we want to give them. It means say we go overdo them. We go do them. We go do and when they see the result, they go say, wow, we never expected this. But as at that time, it go done too late. So then they talk, they go say, now so they want to rig this election. But we would laugh. You know why would they laugh? Because now, how you want a rig election when you say the people that themselves choose, say now Asue Ighodalo and Uhunmwonde rule us next. That one possible. And if you can still look at, they not bring better candidates come out. The candidates when they go bring come out. Now the one where they know say Ogi are low. Then they go bring come out. So that they will take and enrich themselves. You call they see and say they will call it by themselves. They fly private jets. Una will be voter, will be electorate. We not go see food chop. For that one we not go green. Why they laugh all of them and say, Una see this our incoming governor? Asue Ighodalo. For some continents, now presidential products. So we were there those states. We they happy say God and our ancestors use and give us cola, say make repair those things for us. And I still be the only man where talk say I see enter. He go continue from where our way can see governor for stop. So we don't want anybody we not understand governance. We don't know anything. When you be say before you talk, they must talk only for a year. When you be say they go teach us something, say today na campaign, do it like this. If you see this, you go see they make mistake. You say if I win as governor, I will declare state of emergency on road. Oh, now our excellency talk at that day or go be just say, I will say the past government bring do best since. We for not see all this kind of thing. You don't understand. Now the person will say in one can follow Asue and will contest. You never hear they talk before. If they talk, you know they correct for maths. That kind of person now, we can't get meeting from outside the country. They can't say they go represent us as governor. If you reach there, what's he want to talk? You understand? So we know say this election where they come so we don't win now. Because the women they with us. The papa they deal with us. The youth they deal with us. God, the ancestors of everybody deal with us. So I not see any reason why we not go win. The only thing what I want to tell you say on that day we know election they go. As you vote finish, protect your votes. Make sure say they count the result for your presence. Not follow anybody fight. Protect your vote. Make sure say 21st September mobilize everybody. We get voters card. May they come vote for PD.